If your little one's hair is always dry, breaking, or not retaining length, it might not be about the products. It might be that the routine hasn't evolved. One of the biggest reasons my children retain moisture and length is because I changed their regimen as their hair and their hair needs change. Different phase, different needs, different structure, and today I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Hey mama, when it comes to my children's hair, I don't follow other people's regimens. I follow what my children's hair tells me it needs. Every product, every technique, even wash frequency, it all changes as their hair changes. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so the newborn stage is simple. Their scalp is delicate, their strands are fragile, so I keep it extremely simple. As soon as we're home from the hospital, I start to wash their hair once a week. Moisturize with water and seal lightly with a nut-free oil every other day. That's it. No conditioner, no leave-ins, no styling. This stage we're protecting their scalp, keeping it clean and lightly supporting moisture. Nothing more is needed. Around 4 months, things start to change. Texture shifts, dryness appears, especially at the back section. So now the regimen evolves. I introduce a rinse out conditioner for conditioning and detangling, a leave-in to soften, smooth, and help with moisture retention. The LCO method, my favorite method when it comes to moisturizing, 3 times a week. Wash frequency increases here. It now becomes twice a week, one full wash, one conditioner only wash midweek, because during this dryness phase the hair needs more conditioning support and more water input. From around 6 months, something else starts. I often start sealing with a butter when moisturizing instead of oil when I'm doing the LCO method, because I personally find that it supports moisture retention better as their texture becomes fuller. After wash, I also put their hair into a simple, low tension protective style like loose plaits. That's one of my favorites at this stage. Loose hair, as you know, loses moisture faster, so protective styling helps retain moisture and reduce friction. And as their hair gets longer or more tangle prone, I start washing in sections. Organized hair tangles less, and less tangling means less breakage. And mama, if you're listening to this thinking, I don't even know what phase my little one is in, that's exactly why I teach what I teach inside my free masterclass. I break down the framework I use across all 4 of my children, so you stop guessing and start adjusting with confidence. We go live this Tuesday. The link is below. Now we're in the toddler stage. Hair is longer, more exposure, more friction, and more build-up. So again, the regimen evolves. From 1 year, I introduce a clarifying shampoo. Now, nothing scary, mama, just a shampoo with more cleansing strength, because build-up interferes with moisture and length retention. Build-up is real, mama. At this stage, wash frequency is only once a week without the co-washes, the conditioner only washes, as it's no longer needed. I'm also moisturizing their hair 1 to 2 times a week, including wash day. From around 2 years, their deep conditioner replaces a rinse out conditioner. And this is because deep conditioners provide more intensive conditioning support, in my opinion. They soften their hair more effectively, and the results tend to last longer than a regular rinse out conditioner. At this stage, the hair has experienced more friction and more manipulation, so it benefits from that deeper level of conditioning. I also detangle with a deep conditioner at this stage, and if needed, I'll lightly pre-poo, so pre-shampoo with coconut oil for shampooing to prep the hair for shampooing and detangling. From around 3 years, I introduce grease as a sealant. Why? Because I love grease. And in my experience, it slows moisture loss more effectively at this stage. Their strands are longer, thicker, and more exposed. Also at this stage, I'm more intentional with washing in twists. I detangle with a conditioner first, twist the sections, then shampoo in the twists and also deep condition in the twist. As their hair gets longer, it tangles more easily, so keeping it organized throughout the whole process reduces breakage and supports length retention. Oh, and by the way, their first trim happens around 2 or 3 years old. By this point, I start to notice telltale signs that their hair needs a trim, and I do this as and when needed and not on a schedule. Once their hair stabilizes and their hair and scalp are responding well, I move to bi-weekly washes, not because I'm doing less, but because their hair and scalp can handle it. Also, at this stage, I'm moisturizing their hair once a week, still using the LCO method. By 5 year old, their permanent texture is established. There has been light heat styling from blow drying, for example, more styling in general, and more wear and tear. So now I introduce a light protein deep conditioner. Nothing heavy, nothing serious, just a light protein deep conditioner, because regular conditioning alone isn't enough anymore. Strength matters too. Protein supports the strand structure and helps to reduce breakage over time. Again, developmental, not random. So mama, if you look at this closely, you'll notice something. I didn't just keep adding products, I adjusted wash frequency, conditioning depth, sealant strength, cleansing strength, styling structure, technique, based on what their hair needed at that stage. And that is why we retain moisture, and that is why we retain length, because the regimen evolves. So if your little one's hair feels dry, it's breaking, or just stuck, ask yourself, has the routine evolved as their hair needs have changed? Sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about adjusting properly when needed. If you want clarity on what stage your little one's hair is in and what actually needs adjusting, join my free masterclass coming this Tuesday. I break it all down step by step so you feel confident every single time you touch your little one's hair. The link is below. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.